All right, a little variation in our problem. We start off with an initial speed of 5 meters per second, and we experience an acceleration that's negative in sign. So the question is, you do that for 4 seconds, what is your new speed? If you start off with some speed and then you have a negative acceleration, your velocity is going to change in the negative direction. And the longer you accelerate for, the more velocity change you'll experience. So what we'll do is to just solve this using the same systematic manner we did. Your starting speed, your V naught, or your initial speed is 5 meters per second. Then you experience an acceleration of negative 5 meters per second squared for a time of 4 seconds. The question is, what is your final speed? We know that this is the kinematic equation number 1. V is V naught plus A times T. We'll sub in the numbers. Your starting speed is positive 5 meters per second plus the acceleration is, be careful, negative 1.5 meters per second, just writing meters per second squared a little bit different than I normally would, times the time, 4 seconds. Let's do this. V is equal to, bring the number down, positive 5 meters per second. That's the first term, V naught, plus negative 1.5 times 4 is 1.5 times 2 is 3. 1.5 times 4 is negative 6. And we do meters per second squared, meters per second, seconds cancels seconds, and it leaves us with meters per second. Positive 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1 meters per second. That means our velocity changed. Well, we accelerated. Our velocity changes because the numeric value changes, but the sign also changed. So we stopped and changed direction. Initially, we were going in the positive direction, a positive velocity, and ended up with a negative value.